Illusion.
Okay. So I got called into work, fix the cell door, and I completed that real quick. So I made sure to bring my drone. And I knew there was ice here yesterday from when we drove home from work, and I figured, you know what? It's about the last of it. Let's give it a fly. Oh, way cool. So I'm trying to practice being a little bit smoother with my flights with this thing. I just put it in sport mode, which takes away the obstacle avoidance. But it bumps me up 5 miles an hour on my speed. But I'm over the water, so there's like no obstacles really. That was it just flying by. That's awesome. Ooh, there's pancake ice. Oh man, I'm doing 10 miles an hour faster. The wind must be up my butt. Oh, there's where the river comes out, it looks like. I'm kind of surprised I went that far away. I am a mile out, almost. Oh, there's people out fishing. There's a boat. Yeah, little gust of wind. Well, evidently my downward sensors sense anything under 20 feet, which is kind of cool if you want to say a constant level, because it tells you in orange 19.6 feet when you go under 20. 17, 18, 19 feet, so you can maintain a pretty constant level. That's kind of cool. More pancake ice. So yeah, I definitely can fly over a mile away with my goggles and stuff. I'm happy with that. That's really about all I want. A mile, sometimes 2. But it looks like with unobstructed views, I can definitely do that. Put it back in normal mode. I'm coming close. Oh, that's cool. Still at 42% battery. Nice. Another one bites the dust. Oh yeah, super fun. All right, let's see where we're at. Nice. That is why I bought the goggles. and the motion controller, that is really a different experience than just sitting there with your controller.